Hey YouTube, it's your girl Dominica, back with another video. You can find me on all social media platforms at Dominica J. Don't forget to take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Today I'm going to show you how I made this bride hanger. This picture actually does it no justice, as you can see here from the video. This video is of a hanger that I did for another bride. I started by taking the hanger outside and spray painting it with a metallic silver. This step is optional. If you do skip out on this step, you will need to do 2 to 3 coats of glitter. After the spray paint dried, which took about 20 minutes, I took the hanger inside, and now I'm just going to apply the glitter with Mod Podge. And as always, all the items that I use will be listed in the description box. And in case you're wondering, I applied 1 coat of paint and 1 coat of glitter. And to start the name, I just sketch it out on a plain sheet of white paper up to the hanger so I know how big I want it. Now I'm taking floral wire and bending it to make the name. I've tried out a couple different wires like jewelry wire. I just find that the floral wire was much easier to bend and maneuver. You can use whatever wire you prefer for your project. And as you can see, I'm using the name that I drew out as a guide for the wire to make sure the sizing and everything stays consistent. For the period after Mrs., I'm adding a bead to the wire. Now that I finished the name, I'm just going to straighten everything out and make sure everything looks okay. I was having a hard time with the eye. I wanted the dot on the eye to look like a heart, but it wasn't really cooperating with me. I did eventually get it to look somewhat like a heart. I was doing the name as I waited for the glitter and Mod Podge to dry. Now that that's dry, I'm taking the hanger back outside and I'm spraying it with a Mod Podge clear coat. And this is just to seal the glitter so you don't have glitter falling off everywhere. I usually use about 2 coats. You can see for yourself once you apply the first coat if you still have glitter coming off or on your hands when you touch it, then go ahead and apply a second coat. Now I'm taking my husband's drill to drill a hole at the bottom of each side of the hanger so I can insert the name. I honestly could not tell you what size drill bit I use. My husband just gave me the box of drill bits and I looked for the size that I needed that I thought looked the same size as the wire. Now I'm using the E6000 and I'm pushing that down in the hole to make sure we get a firm hold and this name doesn't go anywhere. I'm just going to take a toothpick and push it down in there to make sure the glue is in there good. Now I'm taking my hot glue gun to put a little bit of glue on there to make sure the name holds instantly. The E6000 takes a really long time to dry, so the glue gun is for the instant bond. And for the final part of this project, I'm taking a pendant that I found. I believe I got this at Hobby Lobby one day, and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it with some E6000 and my glue gun right on top of the hanger. First, I'm gonna take the little loop off at the top. I'm just cutting that off with my wire cutters. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please take a second to go hit the like button and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.